ask you, what is the key to a happy relationship?
What's the key to a healthy relationship?
And what's the key to a healthy relationship?
I think the key to a happy relationship is communication and shared belief system, and honestly, over everything, just being selfless.
I think 1 is communication. 2, you got to love your partner. You got to love who you're with, right? And 3, just having some common activities, common hobbies, things that you like to do together.
Communication.
Is that it? Any elaboration?
Nope.
That's good.
Communication, understanding, and patience.
Good.
I would say communication.
Are you in a relationship?
Yes.
Is it a healthy one?
Yes.
What is the key to it?
I feel like mostly it's just reassurance and making sure that the person that you love always feels loved.
Amen.
Make sure you stay positive no matter what the situation is.
Good.
Staying private and not telling people. Cause problems.
I think trust. Yeah.
Key to the happy relationship is right down there.
Okay, any more advice? Any words of wisdom?
Any words of wisdom? Happiness and, just have fun. Make each other laugh and smile. Don't take things seriously. Life is too short.
Thank you so much.
There are lots of different qualities that you might be attracted to in a person, physically, emotionally, intellectually, or otherwise. Every relationship is unique, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new partner, whether they're your first or just your favorite. A healthy partner encourages you to achieve your goals. They don't resent your accomplishments or make you feel guilty for spending time with other people. And they aren't excessively jealous. Ask yourself if your partner respects you and your individuality. You feel safe being open and honest with each other. Your partner supports you and your decisions even when they disagree with you. Do you and your partner have equal say and boundaries that are respected? Do you and your partner understand each other and respect your needs to spend time with family and friends? You can communicate your feelings without being afraid of negative consequences. If the answer is yes, congratulations, you have a healthy relationship. In a relationship or not, you can take the love language quiz, where you can find out what your love language is. Fun fact, you don't have to wait to be in a relationship to take the quiz. It's online and it is free.